Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello all signs again. Let's see, let's check your person's emotions, thoughts, feelings ngayong week for you. Okay? So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayong updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? And yeah, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating po sa ating mga items. So we have our protection. Okay, may mga protection tayo pagdating sa mga evil eye na ibinabato. We have ring, meron tayong bracelet, meron tayong necklace, okay, na evil eye. And yeah, pagdating sa love, meron tayong love bracelet. Pwede sa singles, pwede sa may mga komplikadong mga person. Okay, ang mga ganyan. Okay, and yung ating granter necklace. Okay, so para mapabilis, okay, yung mga minamanifest ninyo. And yes, nagmamanifest to mag-isa para sa'yo. Okay, yung hindi mo alam, dapat pala minamanifest yun, or dapat pala meron ako noon, siya na yung magbibigay. Okay, it's like a surprise. Yes, and yung ating bago, yung pang cord cut. Okay, for cord cutting. So, ito yun. So, aalisin yung mga hindi na kailangang enerhiya na nagpapabigat na lamang. Okay? Kaya hindi makausad, nahihirapan tayong umusad. Yan yun, si cord cut. Okay? So, kung may tanong, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Okay? So, yeah. All signs are true Pisces. Shuffle ko lang. You can check your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node kung alam po ninyo yung inyong mga ibang placements. So, first is Aries. So, kumusta ba? Ano bang emosyon ni person mo ngayong week para sa'yo, Aries? Their emotion, feelings, thoughts. Okay. So, sino ba yan? Sino ba itong taong to? Anong meron sa kanya? The Nine of Wands. You don't trust this person. You don't trust them. The Nine of Wands Universe. Yeah, the Three of Swords. Sinaktan ka. Okay? Dinala ka sa third party. Oo. Na connection. Some of you, meron kayong separation ng taong to. Ending. May nangyaring separation. Ending. Breakup. Okay? Pero in general, sinaktan ka niya. Hindi mo na siya pinagkakatiwalaan. Ayaw mo na magtiwala, hindi mo na kaya magtiwala sa kanya. So, let's see. What is their emotion for you right now? The Six of Cups. No, they miss you. They miss you. Some of them, nag-scroll pagdating sa mga sa thread nyo, sa convo nyo. Okay? Pwedeng tinitingnan na niya yung picture mo if ever. Yeah, they miss you. Why? Why the Six of Cups? Bakit kanya nami-miss? The Wheel of Fortune. Hindi pa sila ganoon na nakaka-move on or wala pang nangyayaring pagbabago sa kanila, I think. Okay, they're still into you. Yes. Andun pa rin. Attached pa rin siya, actually. Okay. Hindi na po ito masyadong ganun na parang in love. Okay, namimiss ka lang. Namimiss ka niya. Naiisip ka niya lately. Why the Wheel of Fortune in reversed? Why? Why the Wheel of Fortune is in the reversed? Okay. The World. May chance na sabihin nating naalala lang niya yung nakaraan nyo. Okay, naalala lang niya. The World. Kung anong meron sa inyo, naalala lang niya. I don't know why. Because of the Mercury retrograde. Oo. Okay, so maybe naging mabait ka sa kanya. Lahat ginawa mo for this person now. Naalala ka lang niya. Itong taong to sa past. This is your ex. They miss you. Maybe naalala ka lang. Okay? Wala naman masyadong ganong ganap, actually. Yeah, the Ten of Wands. You rejected this. Or sabihin natin, dinrap mo na totally itong taong to. Kung sino man yung talagang dinrap mo, yung parang wala ka ng pakialam, yung hindi mo na kaya magtiwala, or sabihin natin talagang sinaktan ka todo-todo noon. Ito yun. Okay? Pwedeng namimiss ka niya. Pwedeng naaalala ka na niya ngayon. I think. Pwedeng matagal na nangyari to eh. Nasa energy ka pa niya. Yeah. Pero sana ikaw, wala na to sa energy mo. Sana. Okay? So, there. So, we have fixed sign. Okay. Water, air, fire. This could be any sign. Next, Taurus. Okay. Taurus placements. Your person's emotion. Thoughts, feelings for you this week. Let's see. Taurus, so who is this person? Tingnan natin muna. Sino ba ito? Knight of Pentacles. Hardworking. They're hardworking. They have business maybe. What's with this Eight of Pentacles? The Five of Cups. Some of them, dinadivert nila, no? There's regrets. There's regrets and ang nakuha ko rito, dinadivert nila. Okay, dinadivert nila yung energy nila. They like choosing to be busy. Okay, choosing na talagang maging busy. And pwede kasing dami niyang stress, dami niyang problem, I think. Yeah. Feeling ko sa taong ito, yung regrets, no? Sabihin natin hindi niya nagagawa yung mga dapat niyang gawin pagdating sa sarili. Para kasing napaka-busy niya. Okay? Maybe this is your energy, I think. Yeah. Someone who's so hardworking. Some of you, specific, pwedeng ginawa mo lahat for this person, pero nadismaya ka lang pagdating sa kanya. Nadismaya ka lang. So, ano bang emosyon niya towards you? Emotion ng taong to ngayong week for you. Dinismaya ka lang nitong taong to, actually. You have a lot of expectation from this person. Pero dinismaya ka lang. Na-upset ka, I think. What's with this? The Wheel of Fortune. What's with that? The Queen, yeah. The Page of Swords. They're stalking you. Alam mo, Taurus, sabihin natin, nagwalay kayo nitong taong to, naghiwalay kayo, oo. Pwedeng sa mga pangsariling kagustuhan na lang din. Okay, may nasakripisyo I think. May nasakripisyo dito. Okay? Napaka-specific na nakukuha ko dito, Taurus. Alam ko, iba sa inyo pwedeng winwork out nyo yung situation nyo before, pero nag-failed pa rin. Okay, nag-failed pa rin. Pero yeah, the emotion, sa ngayon, ang tingin ko, parang nakafocus na to sa mga bagay. Sa ngayon, currently, kung anong meron sa kanya. The Queen of Cups is all about self-love. Okay? So, I think, naka-move on na tong taong to. Nakaka-move on na from you. Pero, yeah, they're stalking you. Okay? Kung ikaw, Taurus, mayroon ka ng sariling pamilya, ini-stalk na yun. They want to know more. Okay? Nag-curious yung person, I think. Yeah. Hindi naman sila, like, present pa sa energy mo. They're not. Okay? Some of them, nakikita nila na napakadami mong gawa na rin sa buhay mo. Okay? Hindi naman hindi ko naman nakikita na gusto pa nitong makipagbalikan sa'yo or what. Andyan yung parang focus na lang nila is sarili. Okay? May panghihinayang sa totoo lang, pero andyan yung acceptance ng tao. Okay? Yeah, justice in reversed. Panghihinayang to. There's someone else. Pwedeng alam na niya na may iba ka na, kaya hindi ko na dapat to ilaban. Something like that. Yeah. Some of you have this age gap. Age difference. So we have here Libra. Ano ba to? Water sign. Water, earth. Next. Okay. So, Gemini placements. So, what is their emotion? Thoughts, feelings. Oh, diba? Ngayong week for you, Gemini. Your person's thoughts, feelings, emotion for you. Let's see, ano muna ang kanyang energy? Sino to? The Four of Wands universe. So, may nangyaring I think this is stability. Wala eh. Sana meron, pero napaka-unstable ng situation ninyo sa ngayon, or situation niya, unstable. What's with this Four of Wands universe? Yeah, the Three of Wands. Some of you already blocked this person. Or maybe hindi mo na, wala na sa energy. Yeah, the Page of Pentacles universe. Pwedeng malayo na to, or lumayo, or dumistansya na. May nangyaring separation for some of you. The Four of Wands is here in reversed. Still, you're expecting something from this person. Some of you, you're still expecting something. May hinihintay ka pa rin. I don't know what. Some of you might be dealing with a fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. But yeah, I think you're guarded, or they are guarded sa ngayon. Okay? Iba sa inyo may nangyaring hindi maganda. Dahil, yun nga, may energy rito ng 3. Maybe there's this third party involvement. What is their emotion for you? Let's see. Pwedeng malayo sa'yo to nakatira. Malayo. May something na nangyaring hindi maganda sa kanya eh. The Four of Wands universe. Specific. Hindi ko alam kung alam mo yun. Let's see. The Ace of Cups. The Ace of Cups, energy yan ng love, no? Actually. Pero, kung makikita natin, isa lang yan. This is Ace of Cups. This is like self-love, okay? Healing, the Ace of Cups. Focusing on themselves. Ace of Cups. The Knight of Wands in reversed. The Devil in reversed. I think nandoon yung energy ng tinatalikuran niya, yung emosyon niya for you. May pagtalikod. Okay? So, tumatalikod siya. Yeah, the Sun in reversed. They're not, present. They're not, sabihin natin nasa energy mo. Parang, yeah, wala. Okay? They're hiding from you, maybe. What's with this Knight of Wands in reversed? So, parang walang patutunguhan to eh. Parang ganoon. Okay? Wala naman patutunguhan to. Kung gusto kita, wala naman patutunguhan to. See? The Hermit, they're hiding. They're healing. Yeah. Pinagdaraanan to. 8 of Wands, 10 of Wands. There's struggle. There is struggle. The Hermit, a lot of realization. I think may mga lesson na natutunan tong taong to from you, maybe. Or sa sitwasyon. Anyway, so, yeah. We have here Virgo, fire, water, fire. Next, Cancer. Hi, Cancer. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's see what is their emotion for you right now. This week, okay, this week. Their emotion for you. Thoughts, feelings. Sino ba tong taong to, Cancer? Okay. The Nine of Swords. Always thinking of you. Why? The Seven of Wands in reversed. There's this issue, I think. Pero tinatry mo lang i-avoid na tingnan yung issue dito. There's issue here with this person. And the Two of Cups in reversed. Two of Cups in reverse. Pwedeng sabihin nating may nangyaring pagdistansya pagdating sa emosyon, I think. Okay? I don't know if ina-avoid ka ng taong to or kailangan ka lang niyang i-avoid. Okay? Some of you want another chance with this person, don't you? You're wanting another chance with them. Let's see. Anong emotion niya for you? What is their true emotion? The Four of Wands. They want stability with you. Four of Wands, please. Oh my God. The Seven of Swords. Is this person already in a relationship? May karelasyon na ba to? Wala ako nakikita rito energy na talagang genuine. Cancer. They're sneaky. Being sneaky. Some of them nasa isang relasyon sila pero nag-sneak sa'yo. Tumatakas. There's lies, deception. Some of you, they're thinking of you. Habang sila ay nandun sa kapartner nila. Okay, you have here codependency with this person. The Nine of Cups in reverse. Yeah, the Three of Cups. Energy ng third party. Okay? Ayaw ng taong ito na I think before, the Nine of Swords, andun yung takot. Pero parang nasanay na. Ito yung parang sanay na kayo sa isa't isa. Kahit alam yung situation is hindi tama. Or hindi dapat. Okay? Andyan pa rin siya sa energy mo actually, Cancer. I think. Or the Seven of Swords. Yeah, the Hanged Man. They will choose to stay. The Ace of Pentacles. They want connection with you. Okay? Pero, ang nakikita ko dito, this is not, like emotion or sabihin nating energy ng totally love. Okay? Ang nakuha ko dito, a strong connection na pwedeng kailangan ko na makasama ka. Something like that. Yeah, the Three of Swords. Energy dito, may energy ng third party dito. You're being sneaky. Alam nyo, kahit magkahiwalay kayo, if ever magkahiwalay kayo ngayon, nandyan pa rin siya, like totally waiting na magkaroon uli ng new beginning with you. I think. Yeah, 3. Another 3. So there's angel number for you, 333. Again, 3 of Pentacles, strength. Gusto nito Gusto ka. Gusto kong makasama. Pero there's no genuine emotion or love. I think this is like pull, a magnetic pull. Yeah, the Magician, the King of Cups in reversed. Yeah. Hindi naman sila kasi totally, sabihin natin, or maybe, hindi lang nila kayang maging open lang talaga sa'yo sa emosyon kasi stuck pa sila eh. Stuck pa sila sa isang connection. Pero pinipili ng taong to na magstay sa'yo. Yeah. So, we have here Pisces, air, earth, I don't know, fire, air. Next, Leo. Leo, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's see your person's emotion this week for you. Okay. Leo placements, your person's emotions, thoughts, feelings for you this week. The 7 of Wands. Tingnan muna natin. So itong taong to may chance na binablock ka. Kunin muna natin yung energy niya ha. Kung anong meron. They're blocking you. 7 of Cups, the Ace of Swords. Some of them, that's their tactic. Yeah. Tactics. Na pwedeng kaya kanya binablock or ina-avoid kasi gusto nito na ikaw yung gumawa ng pag-approach or sabihin nating energy ng paggawa no ng unang hakbang. Ayaw niya nang gagawa siya, ayaw niya na siya yung mauna. Ayaw siya na yung mauna. So 7 of Wands, there's tension here. What's with the 7 of Wands? Yeah, the Moon. They're hiding, not totally available for you, playing safe. We have here fire, Pisces. This person is playing safe. Okay? So, ang nakikita ko rin dito is they're dropping you. Pinapahirapan ito sitwasyon. I think. Parang mas pinapahirapan yan. Andun yung pagmamatigas ng taong to. Let's see, ano ba ang emosyon niya for you right now, this coming week. They're being silent, some of them. Or there's this motive, there's intention, plan. Yeah, the 8 of Swords in reversed. What's with that 8 of Swords in reversed? The Magician, yeah, tactics. This is Virgo, air sign. They like you. They want to be near you. They want to fix everything kung anong meron sa inyo. Okay? This person is trying talaga na makagawa ng isang paraan. Okay? Yung hindi siya lalabas na parang siya yung may gawa. Siya yung may, sabihin natin, siya yung unang nag-approach. Yeah. I think this person is manifesting the Magician. Or maybe getting help from other people. Okay, the 8 of Swords in reverse. Maybe getting opinions. Like that. Hindi siya yung parang totally gagawa. Parang ganun eh. See? The Ace of Pentacles in reverse. No, I'm not the one who's reaching out. Okay? Yeah, the Knight of Pentacles. May pagmamatigas dito. Matigas ulo nito. Leo. Andito yung, bahala ka. Parang ganun. Bahala ka, no? Pero yes, this person is open pagdating sa new beginning. Kung walang nangyari sa inyo, andyan yung parang, naku, miss opportunity to. Okay? Well, hindi siya, wala siyang plano talaga na magpakita ng softness. Okay? Pero yes, they're open pagdating sa komunikasyon lalo. Okay? They're expecting a new beginning with you, pero they're not the one doing it. Okay? So, Earth, Air, Virgo, Fire, Pisces. So, next is Virgo. Okay, Virgo placements. Naulan na naman. Diba? Hindi ba naulan sa inyo? Lagi lang may ulan. So, Virgo, your person's emotion, thoughts, feelings ngayong week for you. Kunin muna natin yung energy niya. So, ano bang meron sa kanya? Who's this person, Virgo? Okay, the 8 of Pentacles, hardworking. They're too busy. In general, they're too busy. The 6 of Swords. Goal-oriented person. Yeah, the Queen of Swords. Goal-oriented. self-focus. You're seeing this person hardworking. They're a hard worker. Okay? Some of them, they're just too distant, avoidant. They're acting avoidant, maybe. They're too serious. Dead serious. Yeah, the Nine of Pentacles. You saw this person. You're seeing this person attractive. Maybe, ang tingin mo sa kanya, pwedeng yun yung parang nagbibigay ng, sabihin natin, mas maganda attraction, no? Mas andun yung pagtaas ng attraction pagdating sa kanya kung nakikita mo siyang ganito. Busy, or tahimik, self-oriented, focus, parang ganun. Okay? You're seeing this person successful. You see this person as someone na talagang successful. I don't know. Let's see. What is their emotion towards you, Virgo? Some of you, hindi kayo nag-uusap nito. Okay, they're distant, avoidant, silent, cold, detached. Let's see, what is their emotion right now? Or, yeah, this coming week for you, Virgo. The Nine of Wands in reverse. I don't know if this person is, sabihin natin, nagtitiwala sa'yo. I don't know why. Why the Nine of Wands in reverse? And the Ace of Wands. They're acting like they're dropping you. Yeah, they're acting like they're dropping you. Parang wala siyang pakialam sa'yo. Ito lang, the Nine of Pentacles. Sarili lang. May nangyari ditong a false start, I think. Pero hindi to para mag-aksaya ng panahon. Masyadong busy yung person. Hindi to para mag-iiyak sa'yo or what. Yeah. May nangyari dito something sa past. Alam mo yung energy niya, it's like, I can buy myself flowers. Parang ganun. Okay? Write my name in the sand. Oh, tama ba? Yeah. Yeah, see, the Queen of Pentacles. They're into their finances. They're into their career, business, if ever. Their money. No time to waste. Hindi sila hindi sila ganun ka-emotional pagdating sa'yo. They're too practical, I think. They're too practical. Parang energy niya, hindi ko para i-waste yung time ko for you. No. Parang ganun. Hindi ko lang masabi kung ito ay dala na lang din ng ego at pride. Okay? Pero yeah, ang nakukuha ko lang talaga dito is masyado silang busy. Maraming gawain. So, maybe nadadivert yung energy nila or yung emotion nila sa ibang mga bagay-bagay. Yeah, they're too busy. Yeah, the Empress. Masyadong marami. So, I think, Virgo, sa tingin ko, marami rin kasing nagbibigay ng attention sa kanya, sa totoo lang. They're attractive, mapababae, mapalalaki, kung ano man ang gender niya. They're getting a lot of attention from other people. So, yeah. So, hindi siya masyadong naaapektuhan sa kung anong meron sa inyo. Real talk. Yeah, di ba? No, I can buy myself flowers. Syempre, si Empress pa. Di ba? See, the King of Cups. Hindi sila ganun ka-emotional dito, actually. In reverse. Yeah. So, we have here fire, air, earth. Next, Libra. Libra. Okay, what's this? Oh, somebody wants an answer. Or pwedeng ayaw na rin na totally, lagi na lang na stress. Okay. Or maybe ikaw, ayaw mo na itong isip-isipin, ayaw mo na ma-stuck maybe sa taong to. I think. Okay, let's see. Okay, your person's emotions, thoughts, feelings this week for you, Libra. So, unahin muna natin ano bang meron sa kanya. Who is this person? Libra placements. Again, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, the indecisive one. The aloof. The aloof. Acting aloof. Okay. The Two of Wands. They're giving you confusion. Maybe they give you confusion. The Two of Wands and the Eight of Cups in reversed. Itong taong to gumugulo at gumugulo pa rin sa utak mo hanggang ngayon. Yeah, the Ten of Swords in reversed. This is you. You're trying to detach yourself from them, pero andyan pa rin. Yeah, nandyan pa rin. A past person's energy. Yeah, the Lovers in reverse. A past person's energy. So, may nangyaring delay dito. Meron ditong something na pwedeng hindi nagpunta sa next level. Okay? Hindi nag-progress. They're avoiding you, I think. They're kind of, indecisive, aloof. Okay, let's see. What is their emotion right now? Or ngayong week for you, Libra? The Knight of Swords in reverse. Inconsistent. Inconsistent. Why the Knight of Swords in reverse? Oh, the King of Swords in reverse. I think you're mirroring each other. Yeah, you're mirroring each other. The Ten of Cups in reverse, the Temperance. You're mirroring each other. Kunyari, ayaw nyo sa isa't isa. Kunyari, ayoko na nito. Kasi nakikita mo parang ayaw na niya. So, ayoko na rin. Ayoko na nito. Pero hindi. Lalo na kung malalaman mo itong taong to, still, nandyan pa rin. Naalala ka. Itong taong to, may takot lang din talaga na mag-approach or mag-reach out sa'yo. Ano? Ayaw mo pa ba? Ayaw mo pa rin? Ayaw mo na? Siya nandito pa eh. So, pwede kasi yung tingin mo sa kanya, wala na. Hindi na nagpaparamdam. So, parang ganun na rin. Ayoko na rin. Dumidepende. You're mirroring each other. Yeah, the Seven of Cups in reverse. Still. Hang on, sandali lang po ah. Okay, so yeah, mirroring. Mirror, yeah. You're sad. There's this waiting game. Okay, so sino bang mauuna? Walang mauuna. Pauyuhan to. Hintayan kayo. Then, yeah, somebody is afraid reaching out. I think this person, they want to reach out, I think. Pero hindi nila alam kung paano. Hindi rin naman kasi sila sigurado. So, maybe ang nakikita niya sa'yo is hindi ka na rin, wala ka na rin pakialam or parang hindi ka na interested dito. So, ganun na lang din yung nakikita niya. Okay? Ganun na lang. Yeah, again. Yeah, there's blockage here. There's blockage. Ang lungkot, nalulungkot siya. Ikaw, pwedeng nalulungkot ka rin paminsan-minsan. Ganun eh. You're mirroring each other, I think. Yes. Meron ditong nagsasabi na, ay, bahala na to. Wala na atang mangyayari dito. Kasi naghihintayan kayo. The Three of Swords. Sinasaktan nyo lang ng sinasaktan yung inyong damdaming isa't isa. O, diba? Or pwede yung talagang blockage dito yung separation for some of you. So, we have here air, aqua, water, fire. Next is Scorpio. Okay, Scorpio placements. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your person's emotions, thoughts, feelings ngayong week for you, Scorpio. Let's see. Let's check. Okay. So, who is this person, Scorpio? Okay, the Page of Cups, inversed. So, they have this energy of someone younger, someone young. There's this crush. Pwedeng crush ka or crush mo. The Two of Pentacles in reverse. They're trying to drop you. Maybe you're trying to ignore you. The Two of Swords. They're ignoring you. And Justice in reversed. Hindi sila nagiging fair pagdating sa situation or sa sarili nila sa ngayon. Okay? Somebody, this person, I think, yeah, they like you. Pero kailangan kanilang hindi gustuhin. Ang lalim, no? Oo, so pwedeng water and earth. Itong taong to, gusto ka pero hindi dapat. Okay. Hindi sila nagpapakita ng emosyon. Yeah, there's someone, there's something pagdating sa situation. Or hindi lang sila ganun ka confident enough na sabi ng kanilang nararamdaman sa iyo. Okay, let's see what is their emotion right now for this week. Six of Wands in reversed. They're jealous. Yeah, they're jealous. Why? By the Six of Wands in reversed. The Eight of Cups. Yes. Gusto ka nito. Okay? Hindi lang niya kayang maging straightforward. Hindi niya kayang maging open. Some of them because they're too young. Or maybe immature. Okay? Ano pa bang meron sa taong to? Let's see. Yeah, the Nine of Swords. They're too afraid. Showing their true emotion for you. They're too afraid. Feeling nervous whenever you're around. Feeling nervous. Alam mo yung hindi man lang makatingin or kapag nandyan ka na, malapit sa kanya, hindi niya alam ang gagawin. Yeah, pero gusto niya palagi nandyan ka, nakikita ka. Yeah, crush ka nga eh. No? Okay? So, itong taong to, wala siyang gagawin. Still nandyan lang siya. Hindi niya aalisin yung crush niya sa'yo, ha? Hindi niya aalisin. Crush ka pa rin next week. Okay? So, pero nandun yung energy ng selos. Yeah. Gusto niya kasi ng something pagdating sa inyong dalawa. See? The Two of Cups. They want this. Hindi niya lang kaya. Namamagnet ka. Namamagnet siya sa'yo. The Emperor. Alam niya na kailangan niya mag-step up dito. Alam niya na may kailangan siyang baguhin pagdating sa kanyang mga kaimaturan. Alam niya na kailangan niya mag-step up, umaksyon. Okay? Pero, I don't know, he's not ready. Or maybe she's not ready. They're not ready. They're too scared. They're too scared. Some of you, this is a strong connection. That is why. A strong connection. Kaya hindi niya alam kung paano gagawin, kung paano sasabihin sa'yo. Strong ang nararamdaman ito for you. Yeah. They're just hiding it. Yep. Okay. So, we have here water, fire, air, earth, and water. Scorpio. No, Scorpio. Sagittarius. I'm so sorry. Sagittarius placements. Okay. The person. Ano bang emotion niya for you this week? Let's see. Sag. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. So, what is their energy? Sino ba tong taong to? The Eight of Cups. Iniwan ka? Or malayo lang sa'yo tong taong? There's distance here in general. What's with this Eight of Cups? The Three of Wands. Malayo sa'yo tong taong to. Yeah. The Queen of Pentacles. Nag-expect ka ng something pagdating sa kanya. Na may mag-grow pagdating sa emosyon, I think. Expectations pagdating sa emosyon. Yeah, the Page of Wands. They're too immature. Okay, gusto mong makakita ng something na progress pagdating sa mga pinapakita nito sa'yo. Ang kanyang action, maybe, yung emotion, yan. Okay? Pero ang nakukuha ko dito, they're stuck sa pagiging immature. The Hanged Man in reversed. So, let's see. Sa mga itong taong to, lumubog, lumitaw. Lalo na ha, iba sa inyo LDR kayo nito. Lumubog, lumitaw. Kung kailan lang niya magustuhang magparamdam at mag-message, doon lang. Let's see. What is their true emotion right now for you, Sag? The Two of Pentacles. Oh. They're a juggler. They're juggling. Why? They're balancing. Something is more important than the other, I think. Sana wala ditong dalawa ang pinagfo-focusan. The Two of Pentacles. Yeah, the Page of... Yeah, this young. Sa totoo lang po ha, Sag. Yeah, the Ace of Swords. Hindi lang ikaw makakonect. I'm sorry, I have to say it. Yeah, see? There is that energy of teet. O, diba? Yeah. Hindi siya hindi siya seryoso. They're juggler. Kaliwat kanan. Kaliwat kanan ang nakikita ko dito na kakonect na tong taong to, kaya hindi sila maging available sa'yo. Yeah, they're a player. The Knight of Wands in reverse, the King of Wands in reverse, they're a player. Magaling nila magsalita. Yeah. Yeah, see? Hindi sila seryoso. I'm sorry. Some of you talagang bata pa, bagets, or immature lang talaga. You're expecting something, no? No, pagdating sa kanya, wala kayo na-expect. Wala po. Yung focus nito is wala doon sa kung ano mang ina-expect mo sa kanya. Yeah. Hindi siya interested sa kung anong meron sa mga sinasabi mo. You can't control this person. You can't. May sarili siyang opinion, may sarili siyang desisyon, may sarili siyang mga gusto. Okay, the Lovers, the Two of Swords in reverse, the Magician in reverse. Yeah, that's energy of manipulation. Okay. Kung makikita mo to, Lovers. Usually, the Lovers, dalawa lang yung tao. Pero kung makikita mo, there, somebody is at the back. We have 3 people. Oo, dito sa ating Lovers card, na usually naman ay dalawa lang. Okay? So, mabubwisit ka lang sa taong to. Hindi mo makikita, hindi mo mararamdaman yung energy lang totally na inaasahan mo sa kanya. Okay, so we have here water. I don't know why water. Earth, fire, water. Next, Capricorn. Hi, Capricorn placements. Pasensya na po sa aking boses kasi wala pa akong tigil kanina pang umaga. Anyway. Capricorn, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, what's your person's emotion this week for you? Emotion, thoughts, feelings for you this week. Let's see. Tingnan muna natin anong energy niya. Sino ba to, Capricorn? Who's this person? The Emperor. Guarded. Too serious. Some of you, you see this person as your other half. Some of you, pwedeng asawa mo to. Yeah, what's with this Emperor? The Queen of Wands in reversed. Nagpapakita ito na parang wala siyang interest sa'yo. Wala siyang interest daw sa'yo. You're too serious. Okay? Pero sa totoo lang, ang laki ng issue nito pagdating sa sarili. They're just guarding themselves. Yeah, see, the Empress. Ito yung totoo. They have self-issue. Let's see. So, pinapakita ng taong to na parang wala siyang interest sa'yo. What's with this Queen of Wands universe? Iba sa inyo alam mo itong taong to pwedeng specific. This is your asawa. Pwedeng may side chick. Okay, kabet. Ano tong Queen of Wands universe? Kaya pwedeng nawawala na yung passion, nawawala na yung flame pagdating sa inyo. Yeah, the Ten of Wands. Ito yung nagpapabigat. There's issue here. You have issue with this person. Okay? So, yeah. Malungkot. Malungkot ngayon pagdating sa sitwasyon. Maraming pasanin, maraming pasakit. Pero itong taong to, they have issue sa sarili nila. Hindi sila ganun ka-confident. Takot silang humarap. Parang may ganun. Kailangan nilang i-prove yung sarili nila. Parang may ganun sila eh. Kailangan nilang ma-appreciate. May ganun. Yeah, that's deep. Let's see. What is their emotion for you right now? Or this week? This coming week? Their emotion for you, Capricorn. The Chariot in reverse. They won't go anywhere. They won't. Pwedeng Cancer yan. Yeah, the Queen of Swords in reverse. They're afraid. They're afraid. Or sabihin nating takot ito na totally mawala ka sa buhay niya actually. Yeah, in general. Takot ito. Yeah, see the Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Takot ito na may magbago. Yeah. Ano tong Queen of Swords in reverse? They're acting talagang avoidant. Some of you natatakot sa'yo itong taong to. I don't know why. Let's see. Yeah, the Justice. The Ace of Swords. The Four of Wands. Yeah, this person, gusto niya ng something. A connection. Okay? Gusto niya ng communication. Marami siyang gustong mangyari sa inyong dalawa. Sa totoo lang. They're just afraid. Yeah. They feel a strong connection with you though. Yeah, they felt a strong connection with you. Kung walang third party involved dito, hindi lang talaga siya totally confident enough to take action. Parang kunyari lang na matibay yung loob nito, pero no. They have self issues. They're not confident. Yeah. Gusto nitong kausapin ka, pero hindi nila alam kung paano. Alam na niya kung ano mga gusto niya sabihin sa'yo. Yeah. Puro takot ang nararamdaman ng taong to sa'yo. Bakit? So, maybe a strong connection. Yeah, some of you, this person is young. Hindi niya alam kung paano. Yes. Kaya, ginaguard niya yung sarili niya from you. That's why. The strong connection. Twin flame. The Four of Wands. Twin. Okay? So, nakita natin si Emperor and the Empress kanina. That's the divine masculine, divine feminine. Okay? So, we have here Libra, Aqua. Strong Libra placements. We have here Cancerian. Kanina si Hermit ay si Virgo. Fire, Aries. Okay? So, there. Next, Aqua. Aquarius placement. So, who is this person? What is their emotion for you this week? Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's see. Sino itong person na ito, Aqua? Anong meron sa kanya? The Six of Swords. What's with this? The Ace of Pentacles, Universe. Kinailangan ka nitong layuan, Aqua. They see you as their, a missed opportunity. A missed opportunity. Or maybe you see this person as a missed opportunity. Why? By the Ace of Pentacles, Universe. Some of them, they have money issue. The Lovers, Universe. Yeah. Missed opportunity. Lumayo or talagang may nangyari lang paglayo dito. Pwedeng malayo sa'yo itong person. Yeah, the Three of Wands. Hindi kayo magkarelasyon sa ngayon, ha? I think this is platonic. Yeah. There's no energy of romantic connection sa ngayon. Or pwedeng walang nangyaring romantic connection sa inyo noon. I'm feeling deja vu. Parang nangyari na to. I don't know, maybe you have a past connection, past life connection ng taong to. You have past life connection. Yeah. The Two of Cups. In reverse. And the Three, yeah. Past life connection. A strong connection. Kaya sabi ko parang nangyari na to. Soul ties. You have to, to release this person maybe. Or maybe they have to release you. May nangyaring miss opportunity sa inyong dalawa. Hindi kayo pwede, I think. What is their emotion right now? Emotion ng taong to sa'yo ngayong week. No, the Five of Swords. Confused. Some of them gulong-gulo. Gulong-gulo siya ngayon, stress. They want to reach out. Pero hindi pwede. Gulong-gulo siya. What's with these Five of Swords? You're in their head. Yeah, the Nine of Cups. They like you. You're their wish fulfillment. It's like, kung gusto kita, kailangan ko mag-take risk pagdating sa'yo. I have to drop something. I have to take risks para sa'yo. Yeah, gusto ka nito. The Nine of Pentacles, Universe. You're their wish fulfillment. Ikaw yung taong gustong gusto niyang makuha pero hindi pa pwede or hindi kita makuha, parang ganon, hindi parang ewan ko. Strong connection though. This person likes you. They love you. They love you, really love you. They want commitments with you, pero they have to set you free. Oh, they need to, they have to. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune in reversed. A past life connection. Naging butiki. Oh my golly. Oh my. Gusto mo palagi ng new beginning. Ito nakikita ko dito. Palagi kayo may new beginning ng taong to hanggat hindi kayo nagtutugma. Okay, repeat kayo ng repeat nito Sa ngayon, false pa rin, false start or a missed opportunity again. This is failed. again. Kung hindi ka nakikita nito, hindi ka nakakasama, gusto ka niya, nakikita ka, nakakasama ka, lagi kang nasa utak ng taong to, Aqua. Lagi kang nasa utak niya. May chance na papanaginipan ka na nito. Alam mo yun, feeling stress na siya. See, that, yeah, the Ten of Swords in reversed. They want to see you, they want to talk. The Hierophant, they want to commit. Ay, naku buhay, ako yung nahirapan. Oo, so, strong connection. They still like you, they want to take a risk. Okay? Pero, sa ngayon, hindi tama eh. Alam mo yun, para siya nakikipag-tug of war sa sarili niya. Aqua. Para siya nakikipaglaban sa sarili niya. Kamusta ka? Kumusta ka? Ikaw ay walang pinag-iba. Next, Pisces. Okay, Pisces placements. Yan. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's see your person's emotions, thoughts, feelings. Some of you might be dealing with a Sagittarius. Okay, they're being patient, some of them. Okay. Their energy. Who's this person, Pisces? Who is this person? The Four of Cups. They're ignoring you. They're too focused on other things. They're ignoring you maybe. What's with this Four of Cups? Yeah, the Nine of Cups in reverse. Why? Ito yung taong inispoiled mo. Okay? Siya yung taong inispoiled mo. Lahat ginawa mo. Binigay mo lahat dito. Yep. Pwedeng water sign like you, fellow water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. They're ignoring you. Andoon yung energy na comfortable siya sa sitwasyon ninyo. They're bored. Becoming bored. There's codependency. Let's see their emotion towards you this week. The Eight of Swords in reversed. Gusto makawala. Gusto makaalis. Why? Why the Eight of Swords in reversed? They feel stuck. Maybe felt stuck. Kaya ayaw na niya. Like nauumay. Yeah, the Four of Swords. Hindi malabong makipaghiwalay to. Yeah. Hindi malabo. Nauumay siya, Pisces. Naku po. May makakaranas ng malamig ang Pasko. Kaya, meron dito magsasabi, ayoko na muna, pahingan lang muna tayo. Aray. They want to take rest. They want to have rest. Ano daw? Gusto nila ng rest. Matagal na nila itong iniisip, Pisces. Yeah, see, the star in reverse. Nawawala na yung spark. Nawawala na yung kung ano man. Okay? Nauumay siya. They're ignoring you. Yeah, right now, they're ignoring you. They're searching for other. Looking for other. And yeah, there is energy of lies. Deception. Pwede maging vice versa yung read anyway. It's not working. Yeah. It's not working. Iba sa inyo sobrang tagalan nung connection na to. Humahantong na lang sa pananawa. Meron dito, ayoko na muna. Time out muna tayo. And wanting to search or look for other energy. May mga ganun. Maririnig mo yung hanapin ko muna yung sarili ko. Yan. Sabihin mo, sasamahan kita para hindi ikaw mag-isa. Solo ka lang. Malungkot yun. Samahan kitang hanapin ang sarili mo. Ay. Madalas ka na nitong nire-reject or hindi masyadong pinagpapansin. Cold na siya, actually. Yes. Some of you, ikaw na itong nag-iisip ng hindi maganda. Something. May mga hinala ka na. Alam mo na mapupunta na rin ito sa breakup. May maghahamon ng breakup dito. Sana walang makaresonate. Sana walang ganon. Anyway. So there, yeah. Yun ang ating reading for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.